how to start a print-on-demand business with Printrendy. So yeah, hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to start a print-on-demand business with Printrendy. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase products right here from Printrendy. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. So here we are in the Printrendy website. So yeah, so to start selling, all you have to do is just simply set up an account in Shopify. And then once you're in Shopify, you can just simply drop ship these products right here in Printrendy onto your Shopify store. So yeah, so that's pretty much it on how you can start selling products right here from Printrendy. So yeah, so as you can see right here, their products are quite cheap and they're currently on sale. So if you're planning to buy products from here, I suggest you buy now by using or clicking on the link in the description below so that you can get these special discounts right here. So yeah, so as you can see, there are a lot of good discounts right here right now in Printrendy. So yeah, so if you want to check these out again, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, in their website over here, they have their best sellers of their clothes. They also have different kinds of clothes right here, like their outwear, hoodies and sweatshirts, tops. They have pants as well. And lastly, we have accessories. So yeah, so they have different kinds of clothing right here that you can choose from. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase these products right here or use them for your drop shipping website. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.